In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Canva Background Remover. If you've ever removed the background from an image in Canva and then changed your mind, or maybe you erased a little too much, this tutorial will show you exactly how to get your original image back without starting all over again. We'll walk through two simple ways to undo the background removal, so you can quickly fix mistakes and keep designing smoothly. First, make sure you have your image selected on your Canva design. This is the image you previously edited using the Background Remover tool. Once you've removed the background, you'll usually see your subject isolated on a transparent or colored background. If you decide you don't like the result, the quickest way to reset it is by using Canva's undo option. Look toward the top of your Canva editor for the undo arrow icon. It's usually found near the left side of the top toolbar. Click on that undo arrow once and Canva will revert the last action you performed. If your most recent action was removing the background, clicking undo will bring your original image back, complete with its background. If you made several edits after using the background remover, you may need to click the undo arrow multiple times until you reach the point before the background was removed. Just keep an eye on your image as you do this and stop as soon as the background returns. Now, if you want a more precise way to control what gets restored, you can use the background remover settings directly. With your edited image selected, click on the image and then look for the BG remover or background remover option in the toolbar, usually under the edit image section. When you open it, Canva will show you the controls related to the background removal you already applied. Inside this panel, look for the option labeled Restore. Clicking on Restore lets you bring back areas of the image that were removed. This is especially useful if only part of your image was accidentally erased. Simply select Restore, then move your cursor over the image to paint back the areas you want to recover. Take your time and zoom in if needed for better accuracy. If you restore too much, you can always switch back to the erase option and clean up the edges again. And that's it. By either using the undo arrow or opening the background remover and choosing Restore, you can reset your Canva background remover quickly and confidently whenever you need to.